All right, let's go on to this problem. I believe number 21. Here I have my log rules just to remind myself what we're dealing with. Okay, so we got natural log of 12x all divided by natural log of 5x equals 2. First off, I want to make clear that this right here is not rule 2. We can't use rule 2 because in rule 2 there would just be one natural log and the division would be occurring inside the parentheses, of which is not going on here. In here we have some log divided by another log. It's not rule 2, so we're not using rule 2. We can't use rule 2. It looks like I can't use rule 1, not rule 3, not rule 4, not rule 5, not rule 6. Okay, can't use those rules right now. Gotta take a different approach. What I'm gonna do is a technique. Let's get rid of this guy. Let's get rid of this guy so maybe we can apply those other rules. Let's multiply both sides by that denominator. I get rid of that here and this here. We do that, you're left over with ln 12x equals 2 times ln 5x. Great. Here looks similar to rule 3. Rule 3 says if I have some constant k, like a number like this 2 right here in front of the log, you can take that k and put it to the power of whatever's inside the parentheses. So this k goes up as an exponent here. So it's like we're kind of moving backwards here in rule 3. So what I'm going to do is this 2 is going to move up as an exponent right here. That's me using rule 3. Great. That's all I did. I used rule 3. I moved this 2 up as an exponent. So when you do that, though, you got to remember that this square is going to the 5 and as well as to the x. So that's going to become, on this side, 25x squared, because it's going to both. Good. Now I have a natural log of something equals a natural log of something. Now, you can, if you want, get rid of the natural log by raising both sides to the e, like we did in the other problem. Basically, if you did that, you would still get the same answer. But what I taught is when you have a log equal to another log and there's nothing else in the way of them, all you do is take whatever's inside the parentheses and make them equal to each other. Like those logs just go away. But if you want, you could e both sides. Then the stuff in the parentheses comes down, you would still get the same thing. Like if you were to use rule 7 here. Okay, so we got these ln's disappeared because you could e both sides and then they come down. Good. Now let's move the x's together to one side. I'm going to subtract 12x, so I get 0 equals 25x squared minus 12x. Cool. So when I have something equals 0, I have x here, I have an x here. Let's pull out one x. Good, so I have x times something and it's equal to 0. I do remember that we have two solutions. X equals 0, and I have this one. Let's go ahead and solve. Divide both sides by 25. Here's your two solutions for this problem. Hopefully that wasn't too fast.